Hola chuletas, today we're going to be doing a little vlogging around the stores to see what stuff we can get on sale, like that's baking related. We're going to be going to Target, Walmart, and Ross. I'm gonna check those stores out for you guys so that you guys don't miss out on any of these sales. They're awesome. It doesn't even matter if it's like Christmas related stuff because you can always use these stuff next year and they're gonna be cheap. Like Walmart has stuff for cents. But anyways, if this is your first time here, welcome to Thalias Cakes. If you enjoy watching cake tutorials and cake related stuff like this, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos. Okay, let's go. Oh, not reversed. It's hard doing this with one arm. Okay, let's go.
Mango dragon fruit.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Highly recommend it. It's so freaking good. It's the dragon fruit refresher. Okay, so we're here at the Target Bullseye. I saw this bowl. Thought it was really good. You could probably melt your marshmallows in it and like to make your fondant and whatnot. And it's good quality. It's $5. Let's see. What happened?
It's for your feet.
It's for your feet.
It's supposed to be like a spa thing.
Never mind, that makes sense. Oh my god, okay. I mean, I think we could still use it. I don't think my foot can really fit that much in there. I got big feet.
So this is a little bit of baking stuff.
Oh my god, okay, I'm excited. What is this?
That's to make pancakes.
Pancake.
They have like these silicone pancake molds.
Oh, that's cute.
They have these molds.
Okay, look at how cute this is. These are candy molds. You can make some chocolates and whatnot. That's cute. It looks like little sprinkles on them and what. This is a cookie cutter, I think. Cookie cutter, yep.
Yeah.
So that's cute. It's only $1. And these are like cupcake liners, I believe. Baking cups. Yeah, I've never seen that. $3. What else? Oh wait, no, this is a stencil. Mira para allá. It's different kinds of stencils too. XO, different things. This is another baking cup. How cute. You can put like a brownie or something or cup, cake or whatever. So you would attach this little silicone thing to this and put it on your cookies. So it's a cookie stand. We have other cookie cutters as well. And they also have this XO cookie cutter. Sprinkles. Okay, that is what a bowl gonna look. It's probably like $1. Like $1. I mean, you could probably get it cheaper somewhere else, you know what I mean? Like at Walmart or something. But these are cute.
Because you were filming.
My nephew told my sister to stop talking. Oh yeah, I'm with my sister, by the way. Sugar crystals. Okay, are these actual sprinkles? Yes, they are. I was scared it was something for your feet again. Oh my god, how did I freaking miss this? Look how freaking cute. Mira que linda. Mira, $5. $5. Cake stand. And they also have a pink one. It's like a dead pink, like you know what I'm talking about, a pale pink. $5. How freaking cute. I hope I'm not shaking the camera too much. Freaking cute. Look, it has a little corazoncito.
Oh, that one's cute.
Mira, con a little grip. And then this is just blank or whatever. These are the towels that nobody's allowed to use. It's just for decor. Look at this one.
That one's cute.
There's two. Con los corazoncitos, el XO.
Actually, wait, I might get that.
Oh, mira! Hold up. Hold up.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh, this one's out already. Is it?
No. There's someone over there. careful.
Oh wait, it's kind of taped. Here, let's slide this through. This is so. Oh wait. Oh, it has a Velcro.
Yeah.
Hold it. It has a little Velcro. That is so cute. I actually might want it. I'm gonna get.
I like the heart one.
It's only $5.
Yep. Oh my god, now you gotta figure out how to put it back in.
Mira, so rápido. Boom.
There you go. That
It
one's
just shows you
adorable.
what it looks like already.
Yep. For
It's
$5.
$5. One piece.
That's super cute.
I think I gotta think. I don't know. I kind of like the pink, but I don't really like pink.
I know, I'm surprised you didn't want the pink.
But I'm not gonna be here for Valentine's Day.
I know.
All
Here.
right, whatever. All right. Look, they also have this. Baking is love, made edible. That is adorable. Again, don't use these. Just use them for decor. Cause I used mine and like it got chocolate all over it and it looks like caca all over it now. It's stained. I think I showed this one. So $5 as well. Okay, ¿qué más? Do they have the little cupcake stands? So they didn't have it at that Target. So another day I went to a different Target and I did find them. They're $1 each and they come in yellow, white, blue, and they also have these bigger ones that are like bigger versions of those, which are super cute. I found some gold cucharas. I mean, they're not really baking related, but oh, that's cute. It's only like $3 and a tea towel. I don't know what the heck that is, but look at that. Okay, they have these paper straws. You can actually use these for like what's it called? For your cake pops. Look, they have these only for $1. So super cute. These are so cute, by the way. Look, $7.
Pop sticks.
Oh,
If
wow,
short
they're really
ones
short.
or
Oh no,
long ones.
oh, these are cake pop sticks, and they have little holes in them. Again, you could put like sprinkles in it and shake them, so it could be like rattles.
This
or whatever.
is cute. It's a baking gift set. So you can like.
Okay, by the way, that's $1, and this is $3. Sorry, I'm like shaking a lot because I had coffee. Your girl had to get some coffee before she did this video. But yeah, baking gift set. That is so cute, and it comes with the little. What is this? What is the jute string?
Yeah.
I know because I watch her tutorials. So. I'm educated a little bit.
And the doilies, these are cute.
Mira, look at these, but I don't think these can go for around your cake board. I was thinking these would go around the cake board, but they're like too thin. I don't know really what these are.
These are doilies, just look pretty underneath the plate.
Doiling? You never heard of that? Mira, kitchen stickers from the kitchen. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, I see what it means. So like if you want to make something for somebody and you want to just like let them know that it's homemade or whatever. Oh, they have more. I'm trying not to shake. Made just for you. Just like saying that it's homemade. That is adorable. Oh my god, I'm excited for Valentine's Day. Oh, that cute stuff.
That's cute. Like you put on your packaging, like your box or something. That would be really cute.
Okay, ¿qué más? ¿Qué más? My sister actually is doing a DIY with this, right? She's doing a DIY with this over on her channel. Super cute ideas that she's coming out with. She showed me a couple of stuff, so check her out, check her out. This could be a really good idea to put on top of your cake. I've seen people use this stuff where like they put 2 sticks and then like they let it hang and then it's like it says happy birthday. Yeah, like a little happy birthday banner. They have more of these. I'm pretty sure these are $1. So everything in the Target bullseye area is like, what
Not
is it called?
everything. But
No. Either $1 or $5, right?
Or 3.
Or
Sometimes
$3.
7.
She's an expert. She lives here, so she knows what she's saying. And look, little containers so you can put some cookies or truffles. And vaya, con el window, $3. How cute! They have a bunch of them in there. They have a white one with red polka dots. So cute. Look, and you can put some of the confetti inside of it to make it look more professional. These are so nice. Wow. Okay, I love these. Same thing. You could probably put some sugar cookies in here. wrapped up in some plastic. Made us some sprinkles. Just kidding. It's glitter. Okay. One more thing I want to show you. They have these cute little glass jars. $3. Wow, how cute. Saying that's all for Target. I am going to head over to Ross, and then I will head over to Walmart. I will show you all the stuff that they have for, discounted, but you better go there fast because they are going like that, because it's from like the Christmas sales and stuff like that. So let's go. Okay, so for Ross, I had to do a voiceover because I wasn't sure if they were cool with me doing this. But anyways, I found some cute little spatulas. They're only a couple bucks. They have like a lot of markdowns, and as you see, this one, it's a little holiday cookie cutter. It comes with a little whisk and little cookie cutters. This is so cute. It's a little cookie tin. I really love this. It comes with a cookie cutter, and you just fill them up with cookies, and you send it off to like one of your family members or whatever. It's mad cute. And then there's a 30-piece cookie set, and it's $4.49. Not bad at all. And it's stainless steel. Come on now. This is little gumballs. I figured you could just use this to decorate your cakes or something. I don't know. Girl, there's just a bunch of cookie cutters up in Ross. And I really like that little tin thingy-majiggy. It's really cute. It's only $2.99. Look at that. Wow. And then what do we got here? We got some chocolate cucharas. Pretty cute. Oh my god, $2.49. My bad. Mira pa allá, more cookie cutters. So if you're a cake, or not a cake decorator, a cookie decorator, Ross is your store. Okay, girl, get up in there. Like this one right here is only like $1.99. That's crazy. Then I also found this Merry Christmas set of 10 measuring cups and teaspoon measuring, and it's only $1.99. Like what? And it comes with a little gingerbread cutter. That's amazing. Especially if you're just starting out, like, you know, baking, you don't really know if you like it. You better go into Ross and get all the stuff you need. Now, all of the stuff here is not on sale. There was a couple of things that I was looking through, and I did find a couple of them on sale. So it's all about looking. You gotta look. You gotta dig deep for the sales. All right, girl. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Sometimes it sucks, but you gotta look through all the stuff. But regardless, some of the stuff that are not on sale is a pretty good price, and for like the quality of it, it's amazing. Like this one was on sale. Look, $2.99. That's not bad at all. And look at this one, girl. A 3-piece bowl set. This is from the Christmas sale for only $3.49. What a bargain, right? All right, let's go.
Tell me quickly.
All right, let's go. What, you found something? And then your girl found this old lady style cake stand. It was only a couple bucks. I didn't think that was so bad. And here we got this white ceramic cake stand. It wasn't on sale. None of these cake stands that I'm showing right now are on sale, but the prices are not so bad. This one was pretty heavy, but it comes with a little cute bow. Like, that's pretty cute, right? And then this one also not on sale. $9.99. It's not that bad, you know? Put little cupcakes or macarons on there. Mira qué lindo. How much is that? Oh, 7 something. It's like perfect to put like flour or your little sugars inside of it and whatnot. I'm actually gonna go back and get it because I need it for my sugar.
It's only $5.49.
$5.49. They're cute. Look how cute. Spoon
That's
me.
inappropriate though, huh? This one's nice though.
Don't act
This
like you're
kitchen
not
is for dancing.
inappropriate. This one was actually my favorite one. I fell in love with it, and I actually took it with me because that is so me. Like, I'm always dancing in my kitchen all the time. And I really like this blue one here. It's like a really like nice creamy darkish blue. I don't know what kind of color that is, but yeah. So this 3-tier cupcake tray thingy-majiggy was $8.99, and it was on sale for $6.49. And I also did find this rhinestone cupcake tray or cookie tray thing. It was $24, so I just put that back. I was like, nah, girl. Go to Walmart. $19.99. This is really nice. This is like a nice Tiffany blue. I like this. I don't know. All right, let's go to Walmart for the 10th time. I look like an ambondiga. Okay, we gotta do el Walmart. We're gonna go see the sales. Hopefully there's some stuff. I know I checked earlier when the New Year's was over. Like I saw a bunch of stuff that was on sale. I was just like, oh my god. So hopefully most of the stuff is still on sale. So let's go look. So as you can see here, everything is 75% off. Okay, girl. Okay. These are cookie succulent kits. Coffee shop cookie kit. Candy making 101. Fondant skills 101. Buttercream icing, all that good stuff. And I'm going to ring it up to show you how much it costs. Generally, some of them are $12.98 and $14.98. So I saw this little Christmas llama cupcake decorating kit, and I thought it was super cute. It's kind of random, but llamas are in, right? This is actually really cute to like put your dates for like any appointments, cake orders, stuff like that. And then like a glass, this is a glass board, you can write on it. And this is also good to have it in your office as well. I have these cookie cutters here from Wilton. They're like really cheap ones, but hey, they work, right? And they also have these little cupcake liners, the mini ones. Cute little peppermint print. So I stocked up on this last year, the holiday sprinkles from Wilton. It's a good buy. It's only, the price is coming, $2.24. Okay, not bad at all. And of course they got more cookie cutters. Just like Ross, there's cookie cutters everywhere. The cheaper ones are mostly, you know, the plastic ones. But oh look, this little measuring set is only 46 cents. Insane. And then they got this little estrellita from Wilton, 24 cents. Amazing. It's that good brand, you know what I mean? And they got this Holly Jolly little box, which they have it in packets originally. And it's only 36 cents. And then they got these melting wafers, green chocolate ones, 49 cents. And they got the lollipop sticks for your cake pops, or if you want to make lollipops, whatever y'all desires, mama. I thought this was pretty good. I don't know how good Great Value brand is, but they got this little Bubbly holiday cupcake kit. It comes with the frosting, I believe, and it comes with the recipe, everything inside the box. So that's cool. They got some sugar cookie recipes. They got some chocolate ones. They got some festive ones. Oh, they got this festive cupcake kit one too. So it's pretty cool. And then they got a bunch of gingerbread stuff that's on sale. They also have these strainers. Here it says $2.97, but it's $1 something. Same thing for these. It says $1.88, but it's a lot cheaper than that. I also have these here. These are not on sale, but they're cute. Especially the donut one. Love it. $7.88. This one's really nice. What does it say?
Can't open it up. Help me.
Open it. Alright, life is short, make it sweet. Haha, corny. I don't know what this is. I would have to. Oh, for the summertime. Cute, cute. If you find any Christmas ones, they're probably definitely on sale. So I totally forgot to do an outro. Before I do my outro, I wanted to share with you 2 more things that my sister did actually find from Target. So the first one I want to show you is this adorable little whisk. It has little Valentine's Day hearts all over it. I thought it was super cute. And then she also found this rubber spatula, again, Valentine's Day themed. Really cute, and they're both only $1. So with that said, if you enjoyed watching this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, click the circle button right over here to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to watch my playlist right over here of all the cake tutorials that I've made, or click over here for Valentine's Day cake tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.